Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. For today's recipe share, this is a traditional steamed sponge cake from Indonesia, and we call them as Bolu Kukus. Bolu Kukus. I was gonna say check out the full video, but I also wanted to say the flavor is pandan, which is screw pine leaf, fragrant leaf. That's why it's green. Check out the full video. Now, sister again. Bye. So this is 200 gram all-purpose flour, a small pinch of salt, 50 gram of regular granulated sugar, 130 gram of erythritol. We're just gonna mix this to combine, and then we're gonna add in an egg and our liquid as well. So what I have here is what we call ovalet. This is emulsifier. If you have aspi, in Indonesia we have ovalet, aspi, and one more. They are all to help your baked goods fluffier, stay longer. So I'm not sure what the equivalent in Canada. You can use, I know some people when they don't use ovalet, they would use coconut water, if not Sprite. But for this one, I'm gonna use ovalet, half teaspoon. For the liquid, I have 150. My youngest and my oldest just saw not in the background. No! This is 150 milliliter of milk with 1 teaspoon of pandan paste, pandan flavoring, pandan paste. We're gonna pour this into our dry ingredients, and then we're gonna crack an egg, and again we're gonna add half teaspoon of ovalet. Now that it's done, we're gonna scoop this into our paper cups. Now this is the tricky part because I cannot find my mold for steaming, mold holder for steaming, like mold cups, plastic cups. So just scoop per ice cream scoop and drop it right away onto the paper cup. Sprinkle the top with chocolate rice, chocolate sprinkles. Ready to be steamed. I'm just gonna place them inside my metal cup so they wouldn't, the batter wouldn't run to the left and right. So we're gonna steam them now. Preheat your steamer and then place it on the steamer and let it steam for 20 to 25 minutes. Would you look at that? Not bad for not using mold.